All right, everybody, it's Richard over at FoxAirandHeat.com. We're having us a party. We got the jams going. We got Gary over here working on the race car, doing a bunch of stuff on that. We got Marker over here fabricating some ductwork. We got Jay over there working on some curbs. Folks, these are units that we have sitting here fixing to go in a job that we have that nobody had. We snagged them, and guess what? Nobody's got the curbs, or it's too long of a lead time, or nobody wants to work, so we got to build our own curbs. And actually these are special adapter curbs. Got one over there that we're working on too. We got a stack of them here, so if y'all want to come join this team, we can do just about anything. You're never going to get bored, but we make the job happen. So whatever it takes, there you go. Put your welding helmet on and watch that. Jay's Mr. Fabricator there. Marco's Mr. Tin Knocker over here, and trying to help out and do what we can. So let us know if we can help you. We got AC. We can get it done for you. If you want to looking for a cool place to work, come talk to us. Maybe we got a position for you. We're always hiring. Jay, party it up there. You got the welding helmet, got you going.
Guys, custom made for yours truly, and one made right here.
There we go. We're making a custom adapter curb here that nobody has, so we're having to build it because we got a job coming up we got to get done. Thanks for watching. Let us know if we can help you.